Setup. Open the carrying case, take out the device and humidifier. Click the device and H60 together. Plug the power cord into the rear of the device. Connect one end of the tube to the air outlet of the device. Put on the mask. Make sure it is comfortable and secure. Press the knob to start the air blowing. Attach the other end of the tube onto the air inlet of your mask. Lie down and adjust the mask again if necessary. If you want to stop the therapy, just press the knob for 2 seconds. H60. Press the release button of the H60. Open the top cover until you can pull out the water chamber. Do not touch the heating plate to avoid getting burned. Turn the water chamber upside down, then turn the water inlet cap counterclockwise to the triangle symbol. Remove the cap and fill with distilled water. The maximum line. Make sure the water does not exceed the maximum line. Position the arrowhead of the cap to the triangle symbol and turn it clockwise until it locks in place. Reload the water chamber and close the top cover. You can adjust the H60 up to 5 settings while the device is working. Light off means no humidification. 5 is maximum. SpO2 kit. Connect the SpO2 kit to the rear of the device on standby. Attach the sensor to your finger. While the device is blowing air, the SpO2 and pulse rate are displayed on the screen in real time. Sleep Quality Review. Click Ramp button while the device is on standby. You will access the Sleep Review interface. Double-click the knob, highlight the period parameter. Rotate the knob to select the time span you want. Press knob to see the readout of your sleep quality. Rotate the knob to Home setting and press it to exit the Sleep Review interface. When the machine is on standby, click the Mute button to iCode interface and retrieve your compliance data. QR code information is also available by simply rotating the knob. Input your name. Click Get Report. Scan the QR code on the ReSmart G2. Click Next. You will access the Show Report interface. You can choose Simple or Full Report from 1 day to 1 year. You can also choose to send the report to your home care provider. User menu. To access the user menu, press and hold the ramp button for 3 seconds while the machine is on standby. Press and rotate the knob to choose the option you want. Press again to highlight your choosing. Rotate the knob to change your parameter. Confirm your selection by pressing the knob. Rotate the knob to the back setting and press the knob. You will go back up 1 level. Exit the user menu by rotating the knob to the Home setting if you want. Cleaning and maintenance. When the humidifier is off, unplug the power cord and take out the chamber. For detailed instructions, refer to the humidifier instructions. Turn the water chamber upside down, remove the water cap, and pour out the water. Separate the upper water chamber from the base. Undo the water chamber clips. Hand wash them in 30 degrees centigrade diluted dishwashing detergent or using tap water. Air dry them out of sunlight. Reassemble the water chamber and turn the water cap securely. Reload the water chamber. Cleaning the machine regularly can prolong the life of the machine. Tips: please change the accessories, such as tube, mask, and filter, on a regular basis, depending upon the usage environment. If you are traveling with the device, please empty the water chamber first. Sleep well